Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 66. So here it is. Let's read the story. Chitang, please, just one song. Can you help me getting the competition prize by getting covering, singing for the event? Right now, her friend is asking her, but Chitang, she really declined her and said no. Yuyu said to her, it's not that Chitang refuses to help you. She's just really shy and doesn't want to show her face. If you tell her a few more times, she will agree. Chitang is very soft-hearted. You don't need to show your face to participate in the video competition, just show your hands. Chitang, my sister, can you help me this time? I'm very grateful to your ministers. Well, finally Chitang agreed and said, what song do you want to sing? You show me. Right now, her friend is showing her what song she would like to sing. Well, looking at it, Yuyu, she was really right about Chitang. She is really soft-hearted and she cannot decline her. Also, Chitang, she really want to help her. Many people can sing well in this part. Do you want to practice for a few more days? Chitang said no, just today. Oh, it seems that she was really confident on herself. Then, you put on this. What's this? The clothes, shoes, and the heroine I prepared. Oh, it turns out she need to wear costumes. Right now, Chitang, she will agree by this. But, so touching, sisters. It's so good to have you. Now her friend is really grateful that she already agreed to her. And now Chitang, let's see, what will she going to do to perform? Everyone seems to be preparing. Rest assured, I will definitely help you to get the prizes. Other friends said, well, right now, they're also 40 friends. But Yuyu suddenly looked back. Did she notice something else? For Chitang, she already came back to perform well and so they can record the video of it. Right now, looking at Chitang, she looks really gorgeous and cute on her real uniform. It feels a little weird. Well, Chitang, I was right then. She was really beautiful. Well, looking at her friend seems to be entranced. Wow, so suitable, Chitang. You don't have to sing, I think. I have won. Well, it seems to be funny, but right now, Yuyu come closer to her and said, it was very nice to her. Right now, looking at Chitang, she seems to be shy. But, of course, they're all friends so they don't need to shy at each other. The president said, let's start to make a video. Now, she's readying. Take a video of Chitang playing and singing guitars. Chitang, right now, just trying to calm herself, try to play the guitar. She want to tune in so she will play a better sounds later. Well, looking at her, she seems to be ready, and now she was singing and also playing the guitar on herself. Looking at her, she looks really gorgeous. And this is it. It seems that Yuyu, she seems to be enchanted. Looking at Chitang, she was singing and playing guitars like this. But also, their classmate, everyone is enchanted. Everyone is quiet and everyone was looking at her, patiently waiting her to finish the song. The president seems to be also. The warm light filled with the classrooms and we quietly listened to Chitang singing. Confusion and sorrow filled. At this moment it also embraces. It is so perfect. Chitang, hurry up and upload it. I think the figure is beckoning to me. Let's give the video a meaningful name. Everyone seems to be excited. 17-year-old high school girl sings the theme song at the school, shocking the teachers and classmates. Summer vacation is coming. Chitang's video views has been exceeded to 1 million yuan. Well, Yuyu, do you still work in the summer vacations? During the summer vacations, I want to be together. Not sure yet. I'm going to Junction City, Mr. Ke, to participate in a competition. Chitang said to her, okay then, I'll go home first. I will find you when I came back in a few days. Oh, the two of them will getting separated. Since already summer vacation, we have things to do on separate ways. Hey guys, there's a part 2. I will post it on my FB. Just wait for it there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!